Software integration is a technologically complex process that includes creating a connection between two systems. Such integration is important for different industries and companies as it allows keeping data in synchronization between multiple software products. For example, we can explore the integration between any software and e-commerce platforms, such as Shopify or WooCommerce. Such software integration allows gaining access to all the data from online stores based on e-commerce platforms. It includes the data on e-store products, orders, inventory, prices, taxes, and the list goes on. The development of software integration with e-commerce platforms is vital for the providers of shipping management, order management, warehouse management, ERP systems, and other solutions used by e-retailers. The easiest way to develop software integration with multiple e-commerce platforms in one go is to use API 2 Cart Unified API. Using API 2 Cart enables software providers to easily connect their systems with Magento, Shopify, WooCommerce, eBay, Amazon, and other platforms and get access to all their data. Try API 2 Cart for 30 days for free now and develop e-commerce software integration easily and fast.